At no time in the president's address has there been an indication that he or government has a big plan for the economy besides the health plan concerning the COVID-19 outbreak.
The issue is not convenience. The issue is not business. Business has suffered, I don't know what. The issue is not education, examinations, ending of term, beginning of term. Unfortunately, those are not the issues. The issues now is a matter of life or death.
Yesterday, some hoped he might say something about the economy, but very little or anything was said. To some private sector players, like the small and medium enterprises, that was disappointing.
The fact that the president has a task force, a public health task force, has a task force for distributing and receiving donations, but does not have a task force on the economy speaks volumes. I think it communicates that the economy is not as important as we think it is. The measures, because now the president mentioned 34 measures that he announced 14 days ago and that are being rolled into the next 21 days. We look at these measures as chloroquine medicine that they are giving a patient, in this case the nation, in order to survive the scourge of COVID-19. Now, what measures, what stimulus packages and measures to support businesses should be doing is that they should be acting as a painkiller. So, in addition to the chloroquine, which are the 34 measures, we'd also want a stimulus package, which in this case would be a painkiller to be able to help businesses to survive.
It is an assertion that the economy is resilient, and the resilience will come forth once people are alive and healthy, and that's the priority of government. Is this expectation of resilience an overestimation?
I think we need to be optimistic, but we shouldn't have false confidence, because you see, if you see a country like the US putting in place an urgent task force on reopening the economy, putting in place stimulus measures to help small businesses, it means that we are going into a global recession. So if it's a global recession, it means a country like Uganda cannot afford to be resilient in the face of external pressure, macroeconomic pressures. So in my view, government needs to take preventive measures to ensure that we don't have an economic COVID-19.
Some analysts say, even economically, the president's current stance might actually make sense, at least in the short run.
You have to remember that we are landlocked, and Kenya, which is the umbilical cord to the ocean, is in lockdown. So even though you do any economic measures in Uganda, if Kenya and Tanzania are not open, there is precious little you will do, because we are an importing economy. We are landlocked. So what happens around with our neighbors affects us. So it won't be like Uganda can open up, the president can address the economic issues within Uganda while the region is in lockdown. And you see the numbers in Kenya, Rwanda, those are higher than us. DRC, those are higher than us. And those are people who are connected to us. Yeah, so I think it's just realizing that we are in this thing, all of us, and no one country is isolated. So whatever you do here, if the neighbors and the global economy doesn't recover, it's a drop in the ocean. It will not amount to much, and therefore concentrating on the health of the citizens is probably what needs to be the priority now.
With no clear government plan on the economy, perhaps the private sector, apart from sections of manufacturing, are mostly on their own.